Hey guys, Sam here from Original Garage Moto. Today we're going to talk about our new 2018 and up Softail 49mm triple trees, along with some of the unique features and options we offer. We are happy to finally offer a unique and complete triple tree product selection for Harley's 2018 and up Softail models equipped with 49mm front ends. Just like all our triple tree, these will allow you to position your risers exactly where you want them, thanks to tree mounting location option. This helps achieve the perfect bar placement and improve overall riding position. Our billet trees will also help clean up the installation of risers and bars on your M8 Softails. While our top triple tree kits fit the stock stem and lower tree, riders looking for additional performance and style can opt for full triple tree kits, top and bottom, which include a fully CNC machined chromoly stem and a colored billet stem cap. Both options are available in either stock height and 1-inch drop for taller overall stance. Our trees are fully CNC machined from solid billet aluminum, improving rigidity for a more precise feel on the bike. They include a reversible risers mounting block that allow for tree risers position. These kits will come with either the stock option or 2 inches of pullback option, and you can also use the +1 adapters that are sold separately to achieve the middle option. Our trees use OEM style bushing. That means you can use your favorite style polyurethane or solid riser bushings. They also include wire management clamps on both sides so you can route your cable properly for a clean install. They are available in 8 anodized color and 3 chrome finishes. Our kit will fit 2018 to present M8 Softail Street Bob, Lowrider, and Standard models, all equipped with OEM 49mm front end. Depending on your riser height, cable or harnesses extension may be required when using the +2 inches of pullback mounting position. If you need help finding the correct cable length, feel free to give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out and provide additional feedback and guidance. If your motorcycle is equipped with our T-Sport fairing, you will need our T-Sport fairing mounting kit for OG triple trees to properly mount the fairing to the bike. Alright guys, if you have any questions about our M8 Softail triple trees, feel free to contact us by phone or email. Our team is here to help. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.